Hello everyone and welcome back to the show. So today we're going to be making lemon meringues, and this is what you need to make them. So the first thing you'll need is 3 egg whites, and then you'll need a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, but we do not have that at this time since we're in quarantine. So this is baking powder. And so then you'll also need a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract, but we're natural here, so we're using an actual lemon. And then you'll need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And that's all you'll need. So then you're going to preheat the oven to 250 degrees. And yep, you're just gonna press the start button. Now I'm going to be washing my hands because, like I said, we're in quarantine. So I had my mom do this part because it was very difficult, but you're gonna separate the yolk and the whites of the eggs. So now we're gonna be taking the egg whites and we're gonna put it in our electric mixer. There you go. And then you're going to be taking your salt and doing a pinch. And now you're going to be putting this in and turning it on medium. You lock that first. Now we wait. Now we're going to be putting in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So just get that 1/4. And then you're going to mix it until it becomes foamy. So I forgot to put in the most important part, which was me putting the lemon juice in. But if you're making this at home, then right now you should put in 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now you're gonna put in the sugar. So you're gonna turn that on. Maybe not that high. So then you're going to mix in the sugar, and don't put it all in at once. You want to put it in like a little bit at a time. Okay, so after you're done mixing it, it should look like this, and it's a very thick consistency. So now, after letting that beat for a couple minutes, we're gonna move over here, and you're gonna get yourself a Ziploc bag, preferably a large one. And you're going to now put all of your meringue in this bag. So now you have all your meringue in the bag. And so now you're going to be taking some scissors and you're just going to cut off the top to make a makeshift piping bag. So then you're going to be getting a cookie sheet or 2 if you're feeling a little frisky. And then you're going to get some parchment paper for it as well. So then you're going to take your piping bag and you're just going to make a little meringue shape. So then I gave the piping bag to my mom because I felt like she could get the meringue shape a little better than me. So now you're going to put in your meringues. Anyway, so right now it's 8:29, so we're gonna check back around 9:15. See you then. It is now 9:12. We're a little bit early, and we just checked on the meringues and they are ready. So now you are going to turn off the oven. And now you're going to let them cool in the oven for 2 hours. So after the 2 hours is up, you can take them out and enjoy them. They were really, really good. And yeah, thank you for watching.